Ridley Scott. And ladies as ladies. So sorry, not coming to
I hope you enjoy it.
Oh yeah, great film. It's very well, thank you. Yeah,
it's all right.
oh no, fine, never mind.
Henry Golding Fat.
Interesting time of pictures, so just looking at myself. Yeah, I hope so. Hope so.
Let them down. I'll get the best deal.
Name.
Any excuse to talk to it's the only one in there. It's really common
Your favourite director?
I know.
Right up your thing. I'm in post now, so it'll be next Christmas. Jack knows all about it. He's going to bend your ear about it if you can't say.
It's still
How are you? Culture site. Previously culture arts. Yeah. For some reason. And it's the department for it's absolutely right. Thank you very much. Fantastic to see you again.
Something, because I think you'd like that. The peri-peri extra hot sauce is delicious. Now, do you know my new friend Penelope? She's marvellous.
My glass.
You're a refugee daughter, so I know. And I thought those women were wonderful.
I meant to say, I hope you're feeling better.
It was talk. Well, I think
And I too wanted to see the programme. It's fantastic. Absolutely fantastic.
Yes. Fond memories of how kind you were when you met my son. It was a wonderful conversation with you. The second time on.
yes.
Yes.
Hello. Majesty, how are you? Yes, I'm so used to seeing my son. He's Big Henry.
After having seen, I've got to see you. He beat us in the ratings, I hope.
I think they are afraid I won't be. Yeah, it was really Did you enjoy it?
Yes, yes, absolutely. Clarence and I, we were both in it.
Oh, you don't?
We love doing it.
Yeah,
She's moaning that she's not in enough.
Oh, dear. Yes.
Well, of course, it's a glorious thing. Thank you for the interest. Yes.
What's she doing
At the moment, it's an Amazon streamer in Wales about young Sherlock Holmes, another Sherlock Holmes visitation.
Thank you so much.
Strictly girls, right? Very dramas.
No more. Thank you.
Hi, my mum. Pennies and so much love.
How is she?
She's great. She's chain smoking as ever.
Oh, she's still on fags.
Have you quit the fags?
Oh, yes, I quit 20 years ago. Nice to see you. Nice to see coffee.
You. I thought you might not be able to make it to Mayfield.
No, I'll be fine. It's just very boring for everybody else.
It's boring for you. It's very good.
It's more irritating.
And well done on the ITV. Brilliant that you did.
Oh, it's brilliant.
Fantastic.
It is
Really.
absolutely.
Well, I even managed to reduce Tom, such as that Boston group.
Well, I bumped into Sherry Blair.
Oh yeah.
That's playing next year, but you must come. It's called Every Brilliant Thing. Every Brilliant Thing, so please. It will, and I know a guy who can get you in. Who read the race? Very confusing.
Everybody's full of 24 hours, so I had to write to say, sorry, I can't come. And when I wrote to Delta Air for the sake of the conversation, they said, did you miss it? So I got them to accept that I was going to get a, what you call it?
Fly whenever you want for free.
No, they gave me lots of hours.
Did they say? Did they acknowledge it?
They gave me lots of hours.
Oh, yes, they are, yeah.
Of course they didn't believe I was actually going to.
It's amazing how many bits don't you?
Yes, yes. I've had some of them replaced.
He's very busy. I watched the first two.
It's good. At least you can claim not to be related.
No, I know.
Thank God.
There's a few ways to make that.
Yeah, no, that's quite right. It's quite good. I think it's quite good.
Listen to all fantastic.
We've just got to see the Queen's documentary, which apparently was fabulous.
She's very good. BAFTA.
Oh, well, go, well, quite. Of course. Well, we'll make sure.
And will you please give your fellow biography?
Yes, I will, of course I will.
Many from
I'll say
he's from
you're looking well, sir. Right true. This is good.
It's your birthday.
Are you still keeping yours? I tell you, it was so good with the comedy about Shakespeare.
I'm looking at that folio with Charles I in margin. That took my breath away.
When he was in prison.
Yes, exactly. And he gave it to his jailer. Amazing.
I tell you where he was. It was Greg Dorn.
Yes.
Because I then said I'd been scribbling in my two pens.
Lovely to see you. Happy birthday in advance. Good to see you.